Hello, Auto Assets here, just giving you a walk around of this BMW R1200RS. Beautiful looking bike. Let's start down here with the forks. So everything on this bike is nice and tidy. If there's any scratches or scrapes, we do like to make you aware in these videos, but this bike's been well looked after. Michelin Road 6 tyres in the front and the rear. And you've got the Brembo dual brakes in the front, ABS as well. Try and see into there. As you can see, the bike's been well looked after there. Down the side we've got a few wee optional extras, so we've got the R&G Racing engine guards here, and here for your knees as well, just to protect the tank. That's what I was looking for. There's no rips and tears in the seat. It's a very cold day today, so even though this bike's just been outside, it's already got a frosty layer on the top. So, but very, very tidy bike. Now let's jump around the other side. And again, everything's nice and clean and tidy. No scratches or scrapes to make you aware of. Bike comes with quite a lot of optional extras that are installed. So we've got the cruise control on here, you've got your ABS, your electronic adjustable suspension, a few trip computers, you've got automatic lights, you've got your wheel here to help control the screen, your BMW sat-nav mounts already installed. You get heated seats and your race modes as well, and as you can see, it's keyless entry. Let's get the bike started up and you can hear how she sounds. Okay, let's get the bike started up for you. So, keys in my pocket, just press this button to start her on. Get a nice little welcome screen here. Now I'll just need to pop the camera down just well, because I need to pull the clutch in to start the bike, so bear with me just a moment. There we go. Right, just while this is warming up, let me just confirm everything's working. So we'll start with the indicators here. Over to the other side. So we've got your normal lights here. There as well, you can see that, so standard running lights and your full beam as well. Once your automatic lights are on, it's a little bit too dark in here I suppose at the moment. This light comes on when it's quite bright, and then basically that will cut off and it will just make everything happen for you to put to worry about the lights. That's this button here. You see it on there, the A button. Just telling you the temperature's low. Which is very true because it's absolutely freezing. Speaking of which, let me get the heated grips on. So you'll see there's a little button there. And you see the heated grips with two dots. That's on its full heat. Press it again, you get it down to lower heat, and then once off or off, it's just this button here. Put them back on. Load modes, you've got dynamic, user, rain, load, dynamic. Loads of things to do with the trip. Yeah, but that's what it is. Yeah, loads of information in there. As I say, you've also got your ABS and your suspension in there as well. On works. Let me give it a few revs, you can hear how she sounds. And there we have it. BMW R1200RS. Any questions you have about the bike, please let me know. Cheers.